Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials and initiating the change now. Locate your UDIAM registration number, PAN and Aadhaar. Have address proof and a digital photo ready. Next, decide the precise new trade name and check for obvious trademark conflicts, because rejection wastes time. Once done, log into the UDIAM portal using your Authenticator or DSC, choose the Change Request option, and enter the new trade name. This step starts the formal record update, so complete fields carefully to avoid preventable delays. Now you handle the complex middle work. Complete the change application in full and explain why the trade name changes. This matters for clarity on record. Upload supporting documents, an amended partnership deed, board resolution, or affidavit as applicable, plus identity proofs. Make sure attachments meet size and format requirements because technical rejections are common. When you pay the prescribed fee, save the payment receipt and copy the reference number. Once submitted, the portal will generate a token. Use it to track progress and correspondence. Finish by monitoring the application status and acting fast on any queries. You want to reply promptly to avoid expiry. If the application is approved, download the updated Msme certificate and update GST, bank KYC, invoices, and letterheads. This prevents compliance gaps. If rejected, read the rejection reason carefully, correct the specific document or detail, and resubmit quickly. Many rejections are form or attachment errors. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a dated checklist so you can reproduce compliant submissions without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.